Hi everyone and welcome to today's writing lesson. Today we are learning to identify and use adjectives. To be successful today, you should be able to say and do these things. I can write down 3 adjectives to describe each noun, and a noun is a person, place or thing. I can write one sentence that describes a noun, so a person, place or thing. The materials that you will need today are your writing book, a pencil, some coloured pencils, and the Monday activity slides. If you can't remember what an adjective is, here is some information from the last couple of weeks to help you. For our first activity today, you will need to watch the video on adjectives. You can find the link to the video on our Monday writing planner. Once you've watched the video, you will need to look at the pictures on the next slide. You are going to write down 3 adjectives to describe each of the characters. Here is an example. First, you're going to look at the picture, and you'll notice that on this screen you can see a picture of a ballerina. The next thing is to start thinking, what can I see? And you'll notice there is a picture of a girl right now thinking about all of the things she can see when she looks at the picture of the ballerina. She's thinking beautiful, she's a beautiful dancer, she's a pretty ballerina, she has pointed toes, she has a sparkly dress, she has a pink tutu, she has stretched arms, she has a pink crown, she has brown hair, she has curly hair, and she has a high bun. The next thing that you are going to do is write down 3 adjectives. So all of those things that we thought about, you can use when you're writing your adjectives. So you'll notice that I've put down my first adjective is beautiful. My second adjective is pointed because I was looking at her pointed toes. And the third adjective is sparkly because she had a sparkly dress. Now it's your turn to have a go. Write 3 adjectives to describe each of these items. For the next activity, you need to choose one of the pictures that you just wrote about and write one sentence describing that picture. In your sentence, you need to include one adjective from your list, and you need to write that adjective in a different coloured pencil. If you can see my example, you'll notice that the picture was of the ballerina, and I have got my 3 adjectives written down. They're beautiful, pointed, and sparkly, and I've got those on the right side of the screen. When I'm writing my sentence, I have written, there was a beautiful ballerina. I have written beautiful in blue because that is the adjective from my list that I have used to describe the ballerina. You'll also notice that my sentence has an uppercase letter at the start and a full stop at the end. I have also done a second sentence, but you don't have to do that today. You just have to write one. But if you would like to challenge yourself, you might want to include 2 of your adjectives from your list in your sentence. So I have written a sentence that says, I watched the beautiful ballerina dance on her pointed toes. And you'll see that I have beautiful and pointed in different colours because they are the adjectives from my list that I have used. I have also got an uppercase letter at the start of my sentence and a full stop at the end. Now it's your turn